Hey everyone, this is Katie and Trevor here with Durango Harley Davidson for your April update. We're going to have a ton of events coming up in April, gearing up for riding season. We're bringing back our Thursday night rides with TJ and Chance, weather permitting. So starting the first Thursday of April will be our first ride after hours, to be determined what the ride will be. But if the weather's nice and you're ready to get your bike out, please come join us. It'll be a fun time to get together with some of our team and go enjoy the beautiful mountains of Durango. April 6th, we're having our Hot Rods and Harleys bike and car show at 10 o'clock. We're gonna have music and food. It'll last throughout the day. So come and enjoy some awesome cars and bikes. April 13th, we are gonna have the King of the Baggers viewing party here at the shop. So if you've ever seen the King of the Baggers, you know it's a really awesome race that's fairly new to the industry, and it's been just a huge success, and it's really fun to watch, so come join us. And if you come on that day and you test ride a bagger, you'll be entered to win a $100 gift card. So even more reason to come out. April 20th, we were having a Legends workshop here at the dealership. So come, and then if you come and join us, you'll get entered to win a really awesome gift from Legends Suspension. So that's always been a really popular workshop for us in the past, very well attended and a super fun day. So check out information on our website about that event. And then lastly, April 27th, we are having an adventure touring workshop and a riding season kickoff barbecue with free test rides throughout the day. So mark your calendars, there's a lot going on. We hope to see you out in April.
Yeah, no doubt. And that King of the Baggers race is going to be down at Circuit of Americas. It's going to be a great race. So if you can't be there in person, come and join us and check it out. It'll be really fun. We've also got some great specials going on in the month of April. Our parts department is doing 20% off exhaust. So if you're looking to get a new exhaust for your bike, come and talk to our guys at our parts counter and take advantage of that huge discount, 20% off exhaust. And then service to complement that, they're giving a half hour of free labor with the installation of exhaust purchased here at Durango Harley Davidson. So great opportunity to put those two specials together and save a lot of money on new exhaust in April. Our apparel and licensing department, they got 15% off rain gear, and it is Check Your Helmet Month. I was just noticing my helmet, about 5 years old. We were just down in Daytona. I think Check Your Helmet Month, I'm going to probably sign up for that myself, and definitely looking to get a new helmet.
You can come in and get a free inspection of your helmet too. The girls up front will be happy to help you.
No doubt. And then finally with our sales department, so Harley Davidson Motor Company is offering a great promotion on select 2023 Softail models. They're doing 1.99% with qualified credit with a $1,000 customization credit. So that runs through the month of April. So come and check that out. Take advantage of the remaining 2023 Softails we've got in stock. And they're also offering free trade appraisals. So you want to see what your bike's worth in today's market? Swing by, let our team give you a free appraisal of your bike's current value. And we can't wait to get out there and see you on the road in April.